Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. This video, we have a massive giveaway announcement of 10 KS0 Pros. And this is all thanks to a gentleman named BP. I'm not gonna dox him, his full name, but Mr. BP has graciously bought 10 KS0 Pros to give away to the community here. Now, I know a lot of people have been asking, who is BP? Who is this guy? Well, if you guys have been in my live streams over the past month or so, he has done massive donations to the channel during the live chat. And he was donating like $700 here, $700 there. He's done it many times. So I got in contact with him just about 2 weeks ago, and he was like, hey, Red Panda, we want to give away a bunch of KS0 Pros to the community. And he has nothing to sell you, nothing to advertise, nothing to promote, okay? This is all out of the goodness of his heart. He wanted to do this for the community. He bought all these KS0 Pros, actually 14 in total. So I have 10 here, okay? And actually, I'm already doing a live stream. You guys, it actually happened yesterday, but I'm recording this video before the fact because I got too antsy and I wanted to record this and do a giveaway on Sunday. You guys are gonna see this video on Monday. But anyways, besides the point, there's actually 14 of them, and Mr. Hawk Crypto Mining, Chump Change, Max Voltage, and the Mining King will also be giving away one KS0 Pro on their channels as well. All thanks to Mr. BP. Just insane. Just an insane giveaway here. So yeah, guys, this is just something we're gonna do for fun here. There's nothing to sell you guys. It's all for fun. You guys don't have to sign up for anything or, you know, buy anything or do anything. This is just a free giveaway here for you guys. So fun times ahead. BP, thank you so much again, man. You are such a generous person towards the crypto mining community, and I hope you like that. I painted your, I guess, just the letters on my wall here, which actually I got a whole new like workbench cabinet system from Home Depot, which I'll have to put up on the wall later. But I'll paint your name somewhere else in the basement here later on. Okay, so how to participate in the giveaways. All right, so we're gonna be doing one of every week, okay? And I will announce a KS0 Pro every Monday's video. And I guess throughout the week, I'll mention that, you know, you have a few days left to join in on the giveaway. But every Sunday, okay, all right, that following Sunday, all right, from the Monday to the Sunday, so a good 7 days, 6 or 7 days, where you guys can participate in the giveaway is that I will choose the winner on Sunday. And then how to participate in the giveaways, it may be different every single time. I may do a Discord only giveaway. I may only do like a Twitter X giveaway, like you have to join or follow my Twitter or join my Discord, or the more popular one, which I normally do, is comment on someone's video, right? Someone's YouTube channel, which, you know, not much comments or something, and also get them to subscribe to someone, and like Greater Good Mining, for instance, or maybe the Veteran Miner, or you know, a bunch of other people, Alternate Component, Geek of All Trades. You know, I'm gonna choose like different YouTubers as we go along here, depending how we give it away that week, right? So just things like that, and commenting, or maybe I might do 1 or 2 Gleam ways. I know a lot of people don't like the Gleam way, as you know, you do have to sign up, put your full name. A lot of people don't like that way, and you know, I don't as well, but it's another way which is essentially free to do anyway. So since we actually just gave one theoretically yesterday, it would be on Sunday, so it's Monday now as this video is releasing, I want to give away a KS0 Pro for this week, and I will choose the winner on Sunday. So how to participate in this first week's giveaway is we are going to comment on a video from Greater Good Mining. He's actually a massive Kaspa miner. So why not? It makes sense where we're gonna choose, I'll have a video of his down below, which you will just comment on saying, thank you, BP, thank you so much. And also something regarding anything about mining, or just comment on, I don't know, what you like about mining or what you think about mining this year in 2024, as well as make sure you subscribe to Mr. Greater Good Mining as well, okay? So 3 different requirements, okay? Just have to comment on Greater Good Mining's video of thank you BP, what you want to do with mining in 2024 or something like that, and as well as subscribe to Mr. Greater Good Mining. Those are the 3 requirements. That's it. You don't have to buy anything, you don't have to do anything else. Just comment on Mr. Greater Good Mining's video, which I will have linked down below in the description, and I'll then use comment picker to choose the winner on Sunday during a live stream, and we will do that live. Then that person has to hopefully give me their address if they see that live stream. I know sometimes depends on if I'm doing a live stream that day, and if I'm giving away that day, then they have to be there to participate. But since this is like a week long, you know, you guys have to put your comments in that, you know, they don't have to be there during the live stream in order to win, okay? So there's no requirement there, as long as that guy, the person that, you know, you guys have to watch that live stream essentially to see who the winner is. I will comment, I guess, on that comment on Greater Good Mining's video, and hopefully we can have Greater Good Mining to pin that comment as well. Okay, so hopefully that winner will see that. If not, you know, after, I don't know, a couple weeks, if they don't respond, then we'll choose another winner. But I'm sure for those, you guys, the community here that watch my videos day in and day out, you guys are gonna see that, all right? So hopefully you guys enjoy this first week's giveaway here. I'll have GGM's video linked down below, comment on that. So, Mr. BP, man, thank you so much. Guys, the whole crypto mining community here is just insane. BP, I am seriously at a loss for words here regarding this massive KS0 PRO giveaway here, my friend. This is just insane. And BP, you know, I think I said it in the beginning, but he wanted to just support the crypto mining community here in any way possible, in a fun way possible as well. So, and he said that there's no requirements, you know, you can give it away as any way that I like, that I choose. So BP, really, thank you so much, man. It truly means that you really support the community here, and this is something that, you know, this is a fun giveaway to do, and it's free to enter basically. And also we are supporting other crypto mining YouTubers, which I will, okay, comment on all the other banners I see here as we go along when I do vlogs each week, okay? We'll comment on other YouTubers' videos. Okay, my friends, that's it, okay? That's all I wanted to do for this video. Hopefully you guys are excited about this, all right? So live stream on Sunday of choosing the winner. We'll do comment picker on Mr. Greater Good Mining's video, and then we'll start it again on the next following Monday of another KS0 PRO giveaway, and we'll do another creative way of giving these away as well. Okay, my friends, thank you for watching. BP, thank you so much, man. I know he doesn't have any socials or any way to get in contact him, but if you guys just say, you know, thank you, BP, in this video down in the comments below, just thank him. He would, and also I would really appreciate that, because he is extremely generous, and he's also a crypto miner as well. Okay, guys, so just give him some appreciation here. This is just awesome. This is seriously one of the biggest giveaways I've ever done, I think, on the channel. I don't think nothing. I can't think of anything else that I have given away in terms of like the value here that matches what BP has done here. This is just awesome. Okay, my friends, thank you guys for watching. Let me know your thoughts. I'll see you all in the next one. Have a good one. Peace out.